What's up, guys? I know I've been taking a break from YouTube for a little bit. I hope all of you guys have missed me, but probably not. But I've got something very exciting today. I'm picking up a new Model Y right here. At least I think it is mine. But we're trying to
unlocking it from the phone, right?
Since the quarantine, Tesla has been doing all touchless deliveries for all the new vehicles. So when you come here, you don't really see anybody. Just log into your phone supposedly, and it connects to your app, and you can unlock the car from your phone. This is my friend Selina. We're trying to sign into the Tesla.com, but currently we're having issues connecting either via cellular or their own Wi-Fi, so it's not going great.
Touchless delivery is not a smooth process right now.
You need to go in and talk to him.
I need to get a speaker and yell help.
5 minutes later.
You can't tell because of the reflection, but they're in there.
You know what, guys? Touchless delivery failed because somehow Tesla website is down. Gotta pay those AWS dues. Oh my god. So basically they're manually unlocking the car right now, and we can only use the key card until later I can get on the website. Okay, first time getting into the car. I like the new door handle, chrome deleted. Feels better too.
Oh, it feels better, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Wow.
Time to find a better company. Okay.
Ooh.
Finally, you don't have to buy wireless charging
Oh,
built
beautiful.
in.
Nice.
Is that the
3 doesn't.
Westworld?
Yeah. Rehoboam.
There you go.
Yeah.
Drive it. Let's go.
What's
Oh,
that?
wait.
Something really bothers me. It shows in percentage, not miles. Let's change that. I was like,
I don't know.
distance. Yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, let's film this better.
We're about to do our first acceleration, if that's a thing.
Yeah.
Hopefully you don't crash the car on the first acceleration.
How long is our 0 to 50?
0 to
What is
60.
it? 0 to 60?
Five.
Let it go. This is lame. Okay. Oh. Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh my god!
Holy shit, bro.
Damn, holy
Oh my god.
fuck. You're not
There's a
gonna
cop
be
right
using
there.
this footage as I like slam backwards.
Oh my god. Dude.
It's already 50. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Okay,
It's like a
we're
roller coaster.
Yeah, holy crap.
Yo.
I was trying to like be prepared for that one and I wasn't.
First time letting baby Andrew drive it. Jeez. I feel unsafe.
I feel worried. Concerned.
This is the jam right here.
What are your thoughts so far?
I don't like the regenerative
Regenerative
and action. I don't like the regenerative braking. It's definitely something to get used to. The acceleration is nothing compared to the P100D that I drove,
Right.
but it's still really good.
It's definitely a great daily driver. It lacks the fun punch of the P100D.
So he will keep his Mercedes.
Definitely.
Hello.
Feels so high off the ground.
Oh yeah, I like it though.
Oh, I do too. Because I'm used to like letting my car slow down when there's like no one really behind me. But like this slowdown is so much faster.
You have to keep your foot on the brake, but just like very lightly keep pressing. No brake.
Look at that. We didn't even die.
I did it.
Well, guys, we just got on the rooftop. Thanks to my friend Selina. If you don't know where it is, don't ask me. I'm not gonna tell you guys. What do you think about the car? Final
after I
thoughts?
drove it, Obviously, just like Andrew, the brakes took me a while to get used to, but I think once you get used to it, it's a lot smoother and you feel like you're a lot more in control of the car. Outside of that, like
It's higher than the Model 3. I think the biggest difference.
yeah, also just feel like I'm higher off the ground,
But still low.
which I really like. It's,
Right.
Yeah. It like obviously it's still a sedan. It's still like low to the ground in general, but my seat and the way that like
It's
where
a
you
compact
experience
SUV
it.
and it's very low for
Yeah.
SUV. So it felt like driving a higher sedan kind of.
Yeah.
This is the trunk with the seats up. And let's see.
I think it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable. I don't even have to put the seats down. There's a button here. Here, I can do it here.
Oh.
How tall are you?
5'8". I'm too short.
Why are we the same height?
Dude, literally, you could so easily put a mattress in here. All you need is to stuff something in the space.
Yep, and you see
And
the
then-
stars.
Oh!
Look at it. Here is the front.
The front.
The front storage trunk. Let's do a space test. Storage space test. Looks pretty good.
no. I really think you could.
Oh my god. I think I could do it.
How do you?
You guys don't know how to open it.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I don't want to close it because then I have no idea how to get you out.
I can definitely fit in it.
Wait,
Yeah,
if you
no,
can
you
fit in
totally
there,
could.
I
Shoes
bet
off,
I could.
I can definitely
I bet
fit
I
in.
could.
Ooh.
It is shoes.
Yeah. Try to do your
I've never been. It's gonna be lovely claustrophobic.
Alright, so how do we open the trunk?
Hey,
Dude.
that's how you save rent.
Ready?
Yep.
You have to open this immediately.
Yep. Press down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! We did it!
Alright,
Knock,
well
knock.
now we're gonna connect.
Alright, wait, one sec. I have to open it from inside.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
You can open it yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's by law, you have to.
So
be
it's
able to.
literally in case you get stuck in there.
Yeah,
That's exactly
or
what it is.
against you get abducted.
Honestly, I never thought I was claustrophobic until that moment.
Oh, I would
Because
shit
I
my
realized I
pants
had
in
no,
there.
like, you guys could have fucked with me, and I was like, oh no.
No, definitely not.
Hey, guys, imagine if you invested $1,000 a month to save in rent. Oh, $1,300 with Skyloft, right?
Yeah, dude, you can do all the lounging and the work in here.
Yeah. I mean,
I just need to get a place to park my
like
Tesla. and
one
then I
person,
can-
2 person, 3 person in the back. Let's have a basic walkthrough of the Model Y. Mostly its differences with the Model 3. And later I will have a more detailed video going through everything about the car. But right now, what you see is the dual motor all-wheel drive Model Y, which is currently the cheapest Model Y you can get. They will start making rear-wheel drive versions and the cheaper standard range plus versions later in 2021, I believe. But right now, this is the cheapest Model Y you can get at $53.99 starting, and I have 0 add-ons whatsoever. This is the free color, free interior, basic autopilot, as well as the free wheels, the Gemini wheels, 19-inch that comes with the car. Now, this is the free wheel option that comes with a Model Y. It's a 19-inch Gemini wheel. It also has the plastic aero cap, just like the 18-inch aero wheel on a Model 3. So it helps improve probably somewhere around 10% of the range, which is pretty significant. So which means that with the cheaper wheels, you actually get almost 20 to 30 miles more of a range when you keep the plastic caps on. So to take it off, it's super easy. Just like that. Also, if you've been following any YouTube videos or Facebook groups about the Model Y, you know that there's been a ton of build quality issues with people getting their new car delivered. Well, let's check it out how this one do. The gaps on the front, not bad. It's a little bit bigger here, but it's not horrible. Honestly, the front side panel gaps are fine from this side. Let's check out the other side. Yep, you can definitely see it there. I think the tail lights are definitely the most noticeable gaps that you find on my vehicle. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Not good. Gotta send that to your mom.
Stop filming me. Don't send it to my mom. I swear to God.
Okay. Okay, to wrap up the video, if you enjoyed this, click the like button, subscribe down below. I'll be posting a lot more content about the Model Y. I think next coming up, I'll be reviewing a floor mat for it, as well as I'm gonna paint all the Gemini wheels cap to maybe matte black, maybe satin, we'll see. But planning to do a plastic dip on it and make it a video.
You should leave a comment if you want me to keep reappearing in these videos.
Yeah.
I'm awesome.